Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Nokia G11 smartphone, and in today's video I'm going to show how you can set the Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the settings. At the settings, look for the apps and notifications category. In here, you want to look for the default apps. At the default apps page, choose browser app, and here basically all that is left to do is to select Opera. And as you see now, that will effectively mean that we have successfully set Opera as our default browser. There is also the second way to do that, directly from the Opera application itself, so let's go ahead and open it. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, picture or icon. Next, tap on this gear that stands for settings, and at the settings page, just scroll down until you find the default browser section. Next, click on blue next button, then select Opera as we did from the settings. And finally, just tap set as default. And that will also mean that we have successfully set Opera as our default browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.